Hello, and welcome to the hsebox.com channel. This video is part of a series of videos dedicated to simplifying the study for the Nebosh exam, or just to remember some international concepts related to health and safety at work. We take the opportunity to inform you that we do not represent nor intended to represent any institution linked to Nebosh certification. Please, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. We are happy to help you. As a safety professional, you should review this video once in a while, which would help you to keep fresh the most important core information for your daily roles, activity, and responsibilities. So let's get started. Element 2. Setting policy for health and safety. What is a health and safety policy?
A business plan for safety to prevent or reduce loss in an organization.
What are the objectives of a health and safety policy?
The main objectives of a health and safety policy are to protect people from injury and ill health, comply with legal requirements and avoid prosecution, and manage health and safety on a cost-effective basis.
What are the elements of a policy?
1. Statement of intent. A statement of intent establishing the importance of health and safety in the organization and providing targets and objectives for improvement. 2. Organization. The roles and responsibilities of everyone in the organization. 3. Arrangements. The arrangements for effective planning, organization, control, monitoring of the organization's health and safety. The contents of the arrangements section should include the following information: risk assessments, fire policy, smoking policy, evacuation procedures, safe systems of work, permits to work, first aid policy, display screen policy, manual handling policy, hazardous chemicals policy, fork truck policy, etc.
What is benchmarking?
Benchmarking is the practice of comparing business processes and performance metrics to industry bests and best practices from other companies. Dimensions typically measured are quality, time, cost, and health and safety performance.
What are the advantages of benchmarking?
Identifies key performance indicators. Ensures monitoring procedures are effective. Feeds into the continuous improvement cycle. Identify normal practice amongst similar business. Avoid making mistakes by learning from others. Generate management focus. Gains confidence of the stakeholders, etc.
What are the challenges of benchmarking?
Selecting a company with similar activities. Assuring accuracy of data. Using common definitions. Accessing data. Gaining commitment, etc.
What are management issues to benchmark?
Health and safety policy. Staff roles and responsibility. Plans and strategies which can be measured. Risk assessments. Type of training. Monitoring, proactive and reactive, etc.
When reviewing a health and safety policy, what information should be taken into account?
Accidents. Incidents. New equipment. New staff. New technology. New premises. Changes in legislation. Accident investigation. Enforcement action. Prosecution. Compensation claims. Periodic review, etc.
What are the reasons that can make ineffective policies and a useless health and safety management system?
No management commitment. No objectives set to implement policy. Health and safety not given priority. Resources not provided to implement action. Aims and intentions not understood by personnel. Too much emphasis on employee responsibilities. No measurement that objectives are being met. Management unaware of their health and safety role. No management training, etc.
If you missed some information, you can review this video again, or just follow the link below in the description and you can download all information for free on our website www.hsebox.com. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe our channel, and give us your thumb up. Tell us your opinion. Thank you for watching, bye bye, see you soon.